with this video, I am going to share the 5 things I wish someone told me before joining the college. So, are you someone who is going to take admission in this year, or you are so scared that what will happen in your day 1? I made this 5 mistake and I don't want you to repeat them. And stay till the end because mistake number 3 affect me the most. So hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Astha and I have just completed my second year of BTech. So let me tell you, college life has been the game changer, or you can say it is a big turning point of your life. So please, if you are coming from school, so don't compare your school life with college life. It is way much different from your school life. I have already talked about the difference between school life and college life in my previous video, where I have talked about that college life does not equal to fun. And I think this is the time of the year where a lot of people are going to start their college. So there are a lot of DMs and comments I am getting. So that's why I am making this video, that 5 mistakes I wish someone told me before joining the college. So point number 1, don't try to impress everyone. See, I have seen a lot of fresher who force themselves to impress everyone. They start comparing their clothes, their shoes, their English, their phones with someone else. But let me tell you something else, senior. What I genuinely believe in this 2 years, like no one cares about you. Okay? People love the way you are, which you naturally are. And please don't pretend to know everything, because nobody cares about you in college, because every person have their different moral, their different perspective, their different mindset. See, in my college life, I have realized this one thing, that being authentic is most important than being perfect. See, let me tell you one thing. You don't need everyone's approval, okay? If you wanted to do that thing, do it. Don't ask anyone. अगर आप सबसे पूछोगे, आप सबसे उनका अप्रूवल लोगे, तो एट द एंड आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे. दिस इज माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. सपोज मुझे कोई चीज़ स्टार्ट करनी है, मैं स्टार्ट करने से पहले अपने दोस्तों से पूछूंगी, अपने घर वालों से पूछूंगी. सबका अपना अपना ओपिनियन, अपना अपना माइंडसेट, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी है, अपना इन्वायरमेंट है, तो वो उसी हिसाब से आपको जो है चीज़ें बताएंगे. कुछ लोग आपको मोटिवेट करेंगे, कुछ लोग आपको डीमोटिवेट करेंगे. तो इट्स बेटर इतने लोगों से अप्रूवल लेने के बजाय आप खुद पे, आपको लगे अच्छा है, गट फीलिंग आपकी कह रही है कि आपको करना है, तो गो विद इट. एंड आई थिंक इन कॉलेज लाइफ बीइंग ऑनेस्ट is more important than seeking people's attention or their approval. Don't pretend that you have perfect life. You have iPhone 17 Pro Max. You are a rich kid. You have lot of girlfriends. You have lots of boyfriends. So right people will appreciate you the real you are, okay? So please don't try to impress anyone, because nobody cares about you. At the end, it's you, your skills, your degree, nothing else. Point number 2, nobody is thinking as much as you do. See, in my college life, what I really noticed, that everyone is busy in their own life. So before joining the college, I was thinking that when I joined the college, in my day first, what if everyone judge me by my dressing style, my communication skills, my English speaking. So this is my biggest insecurity in college life. So let me tell you one thing, that before joining the college, the biggest insecurity of mine is that what if somebody judge me? What if they judge me by my clothes? What if they judge my English? How am I supposed to ask a question to the teacher, because I'm so afraid of it? What if I make a lot of mistake while introducing myself when teacher asks me about myself? But here is something that college taught me, that nobody is thinking about you as much as you do, because everyone is busy in their own life. The student sitting next to you is already thinking about that, how he is going to give his introduction. Everyone is busy in fighting their own securities. So don't stop yourself by asking question or raising hand in front of the teacher that yeah, I have doubt, I want to ask question from you. Don't stay silent just because you think that people will judge me, because everyone is fighting with their own insecurities. So stop trying to be perfect. Practice, learn, participate and make mistakes. That's why you will overcome your insecurities. Now point number 3, confidence is more important than your looks. See, I'm not saying that don't focus on your personality, your looks. It is very much important, but give more priority on your confidence. See, before college, what I think and what most of the student think, that being good in personality, being pretty is the key to make new friends. Your look might get someone attention for a few seconds, but your communication will decide कि आप उस इंसान से आगे बात करते रहोगे या नहीं. बिकॉज अगर जो आपकी शक्ल अच्छी है, ठीक है, पर आपकी कम्युनिकेशन एकदम बेकार है, कोई आपसे बात क्यों करेगा. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ मैंने नोटिस करी कॉलेज में. अगर जब दिखने के अच्छे हो पर आपकी पर्सनैलिटी भी ठीक है, बट आपका बोलने का, बात करने का वे ही अच्छा नहीं है, आप अब्यूजिव हो बहुत ज़्यादा, या आपको ये नहीं पता कि कब क्या, कैसी चीज़ कब क्या बोलनी चाहिए, देन इन सब चीज़ों का कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो प्लीज़ वर्क ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई वुड से कि learn to speak English, because English is the future of your life. Because everybody in your interviews, if you are giving your presentation, in anything, if you are conveying your thoughts, you have to speak in English. Like, everyone give priority to the English. See me, at first I am not at much good in English. Like, when I make vlogs, I make videos, I don't speak in English because I am so afraid in front of the camera too. That yeah, I can't speak in English, I'm so bad in it. What if people judge me if I upload this video? What if they're gonna judge me that my English is so bad, still I'm talking in front of the camera? But no, then I realized that English speaking is very important. Still, I overcome my fear. I overcome my fear of judgment. Still, I am speaking in front of you. I have no script. I have just my experience. I'm not saying that you need perfect English or perfect grammar or perfect accent. I want कि जब भी आप बोलो पर confidence से बोलो. It is very much important to convey your thoughts clearly. Like, if you are going to sit in an interview, if you are not able to convey your thoughts, to convey your project in front of the interviewer, how are you going to understand? They will reject you instant. You know, I have read this quote somewhere that being pretty or being handsome is the least interesting thing about you. And you know, that hit me so hard, that this is the reality in today's generation. You know what I believe? That looks create your first impression, but your confidence create a lasting impression. So moving to the point number 4, which is don't afraid to be alone. See, being alone and being lonely is the way different thing. Okay, if I talk about my thing, that at first I feel like that if I am being alone, how would I make friends? And to overcome this fear, I make wrong friends. And now I realize that this was the huge mistake that I have done in my first year. If you can't enjoy your own company, you will attach with the wrong people at the end. If I tell you about my thing, that at first I already knew that I wanted to make the YouTube channel. ठीक है, मुझे पहले से पता था कि मुझे YouTube चैनल बनाना है, क्योंकि मेरा भाई भी वीडियोस वगैरह बनाता था, और उसकी वीडियो ऑलरेडी जो है मोनेटाइज हो चुकी है, उसका चैनल ऑलरेडी मोनेटाइज हो चुका है. देन इफ़ आई बी लाइक दैट इफ़ ही कैन, दैट मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती. ठीक है, देन मैं इस चीज़ में मैंने डाइव किया. आई विल गेट टू नो मोर थिंग. ठीक है, मुझे एडिटिंग बड़ी पसंद आने लगी. मैंने बहुत एडिटिंग वगैरह करी. ठीक ठाक मैं एडिटिंग कर लेती हूँ, मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. ठीक है, सो यहीं से मैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे जाऊँगी कि प्लीज़ focus on one skill, at least one skill. Rather, it could be your communication skill, if you dive into your content creation, blogging, your freelancing, anything. It could be public speaking, it could be anything. If you are, I'm not saying if you're doing engineering, you have to be good in coding. It's not, I'm not saying that. I'm doing engineering, I can openly say that I'm not good in coding, but I can openly say this thing too, that I am good in blogging, good in expressing myself, and many other things. Because I have prepared myself from these 2 years. I have done lot of things. I have done work on myself. Like, if you are with me on Instagram, you know that I am posting content of self improvement. मतलब most of the time मैं self improvement पे videos बनाती हूँ. Like, when I started my first challenge of 21 days, because Somewhere I have listened or watched that it takes only 21 days to build a new skill. So I started this. I take challenges. I spoke every day in front of the camera. I uploaded no matter what. Or the best thing, how beautiful the internet is, that people see me, they take inspiration from me, and they are doing the same thing as well. Like half of the people who is following me are those who also wanted to improve their communication skills, also want to become better speaker, also who can convey their thoughts effortlessly. Spend at least 1 hour on your daily goals. Like what I do, मेरी छुट्टियां पड़ गई है, मेरा एंड सेमेस्टर खत्म हो गया. So now I am working on my speaking skills. I listen to the podcast. There is one guy whose name is Paritosh Anand. Like he inspired me a lot. Like yesterday I was watching his interview where he's talking about like how to be confident, how to modulate your voice, and he's speaking about voice modulation, your body language, your speaking, the way you speak in front of the camera like you are speaking to your friend, you are giving advice to your friend, and it is very much important. Your facial expression, it plays a very important role, and that's why I am making this video too. Not because I want to tell you that my experience of college life, because I want to improve my communication skill, my English speaking skill. That's why I'm saying thing in front of you, because I really want to improve myself, and this is the one skill I have taken, or you can say, to grow in this field. I have made this YouTube channel because I really want to upgrade my confidence, I could say. I have read this quote somewhere that don't judge graduate with their degree. Graduate with skill will make you more valuable. Before making this YouTube channel, I feel like I'm so insecure about like how I look, how I express myself. My English is not at all good. But now after making this YouTube channel, I am here right now. I am conveying my thoughts. At least I am trying. I am far better than those people who is not even trying. And here, consistency beats perfection. I didn't start my YouTube channel because I am an expert. I created this YouTube channel because I want to develop my skills. Making video taught me how to speak confidently, how to convey your thoughts, how to do storytelling, how to edit your videos. And these skills not only help me in my YouTube, it also helped me in my interview, in my presentation, in my confidence. Many people are wait until they feel ready, but I decide to learn by doing. So at the end, I want to say, if you're in college or about to start college, and in this year you are going to take admission in the college, don't just focus on getting degree or CGPA, or don't collect certificates from everywhere. Instead, build skill, because skill is very much important in today's generation. Everybody is asking about your skills, not your degree, not your certificates. Your skills matter more than your certificates or your CGPA. So these are the things I wish someone told me before joining the college. If even one thing helped you, please share it in the comments. I would love to hear that. And it help other people to also see that, yeah, I can do it. If she can do it, if he can do it, why not me? So these are the things I wish someone told me before joining the college. So I hope this video save you from making mistakes. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So मिलते हैं फिर से नए वीडियो के साथ. And do let me know कि आपको next video किस topic पे चाहिए. Bye.